Most people trying to build their dream home in 2026 are getting hit with contractor quotes that would make your jaw drop. But here's what the building industry doesn't want you to know. A handful of smart builders are walking away with a fully finished cabin barndominium, an integrated carport, and keys in hand, all on a 30 by 40 footprint, for a fraction of what their neighbors paid. And before you assume this is about cutting corners, stick around, because I'm about to show you how the math actually works, and why the smartest builders aren't spending more. They're building smarter. If you're serious about building a home on a budget without sacrificing quality, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. We drop honest, no-fluff content every week for people who want real numbers, real layouts, and real strategies. And stay with me until the very end of this video, because I'm going to reveal the one budget decision that most builders get completely backwards on a 30 by 40 build, and it's costing them thousands they'll never get back. What is a cabin barndominium with carport? Let's make sure we're all on the same page before we get into numbers. A cabin barndominium is a steel or post-frame metal building designed to look and feel like a cozy cabin home, not the industrial box you might be imagining. Think wood-accented exteriors, pitched roof lines, warm interiors, open concept layouts, vaulted ceilings, and all of it wrapped in the affordability and durability of metal construction. It combines the rustic charm of a cabin with the structural advantages of a barndominium. Now add a carport into that equation, and things get really interesting. A carport in this context isn't just a roof over your driveway, it's an integrated covered structure attached directly to the building that serves multiple roles: vehicle protection, covered outdoor living, equipment storage, and in many cases, a covered workspace. When designed correctly on a 30 by 40 footprint, the carport becomes one of the most versatile and cost-effective features you can add. The 30 by 40 footprint gives you exactly 1,200 square feet under roof. That's your barndominium living space. The carport is typically added as an extension off one side or the front, giving you an additional 300 to 600 square feet of covered outdoor space depending on depth, and it does so without requiring the same permitting, insulation, or finishing costs as enclosed living space. Here's the question nobody asks until it's too late. How much of that 1,200 square feet should actually be finished living space versus open functional space? Get that ratio wrong, and you'll blow your budget before you lay a single floor tile. We're going to answer that precisely in the next section. The real numbers. 30 by 40 cost breakdown 2026. All right, here's what you actually came for. Let me give you the honest, researched numbers based on 2026 data. A 30 by 40 barndominium shell kit runs approximately $20 to $35 per square foot for materials only. That's $24,000 to $42,000 for the kit package alone. But here's where people get burned. The kit is not the home, not even close. The kit is the skeleton. Everything that makes it livable comes after. Here is the honest, complete cost breakdown. Shell kit package, $24,000 to $42,000 foundation, 4-inch concrete slab, $7,200 to $16,800. Assembly and erection, $15,000 to $18,000. Spray foam insulation, $8,000 to $15,000. Interior framing and drywall, $12,000 to $18,000. Electrical system, $8,000 to $12,000 plumbing. 2 bathrooms, $10,000 to $16,000 HVAC system, $7,000 to $14,000. Kitchen cabinets and countertops, $6,000 to $14,000. Flooring, LVP or stained concrete, $5,000 to $10,000. Interior doors and trim, $3,500 to $6,000. Windows and exterior doors, $6,000 to $10,000. Paint and finish work, $2,500 to $5,000 permits and engineering. $2,500 to $5,000 living space. Total, $117,200 to $201,800. Now for the carport addition. Carport structure, 20 by 30 attached, $6,000 to $12,000. Concrete pad for carport, $2,700 to $5,400. Carport total, $8,700 to $17,400 grand total budget range. $219,200 for a truly budgeted build. Hitting the smart builder sweet spot, most experienced 30 by 40 cabin barndominium builders with carport land between $140,000 and $165,000 with mid-range finishes. Compare that to a traditional 1,200 square foot home with a separate carport in 2026 which averages $240,000 to $360,000. You're saving $75,000 to $195,000. The national average for a complete barndominium build in 2026 sits at $230,000. But smart builders on a 30 by 40 footprint are hitting $140,000 to $165,000 turnkey. That's not luck, that's strategy. And I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. The cabin aesthetic, making it look like $1 million for less. This is where the cabin barndominium separates itself from a plain metal box, and where smart builders use design to stretch every dollar. The exterior is your first lever. Board and batten siding, wood-look metal panels, and stone accents on the front face are the three elements that transform a standard metal building into a cabin-style home. Board and batten vertical metal siding runs $3 to $7 per square foot. Stone veneer accent panels on the front gable cost $12 to $25 per square foot, but only cover a small area, typically 80 to 120 square feet, so the total impact is $1,000 to $3,000. For that investment, your building goes from industrial to stunning. The roofline is your second lever. A simple gable roof is included in most kits. Adding a front porch overhang extension of 8 to 10 feet off the front facade costs $4,000 to $8,000 and completely changes the personality of the building. It reads as a proper cabin home rather than a metal structure. The carport becomes your third design lever. When the carport roof pitch matches the main roof line and uses the same metal panel color, it creates a seamless, intentional look. This costs nothing extra in design, but makes the overall structure look like a custom architect-designed home. Interior cabin finishes that deliver maximum impact on minimum budget include shiplap accent walls at $150 to $350 per square foot, stained concrete floors at $3 to $8 per square foot, which are significantly cheaper than LVP, exposed wood beams that can be sourced from local mills for $200 to $500 total, and warm paint tones like deep navy, forest green, or moody charcoal that cost the same as any other paint but elevate the cabin aesthetic dramatically. Before we get into the carport strategy that makes this whole build more versatile than any standalone home, I need to show you the layout that smart builders use on a 30 by 40 footprint. Get this wrong and your budget build becomes cramped and frustrating. Get it right, and 1,200 square feet feels like 1,800. The smart layout, maximizing 1,200 square feet. Here is the floor plan breakdown that experienced builders recommend for a 30 by 40 cabin barndominium. Option A, the 2-bedroom layout. Open concept living, dining, and kitchen, taking up 480 square feet. Primary bedroom with ensuite bath at 180 square feet. Second bedroom at 130 square feet. Shared guest bath at 60 square feet. Laundry closet at 30 square feet. Remaining 320 square feet used as a flex room, home office, mudroom with entry from carport, or storage area. This is the most popular layout for couples, remote workers, and small families. Option B, the cabin weekend retreat layout. One large primary bedroom suite at 220 square feet. Large open living and kitchen at 600 square feet with vaulted ceilings. One full bath at 80 square feet. Loft sleeping area built above the bedroom if ceiling height allows, adding 150 to 200 square feet of functional space without increasing the footprint. This layout works beautifully for vacation properties and short-term rentals. The no hallway rule is critical in a 30 by 40. Every square foot of hallway is dead money. Smart builders route traffic through open living areas instead. This single design principle frees up 80 to 120 square feet of usable space and makes the home feel noticeably larger. The carport on this build isn't just for parking your truck. Smart builders are using it to do something that is genuinely changing how much house they get for their money, without adding a single square foot of enclosed space. Keep watching. The carport advantage, more than just parking. This is where the budgeted build gets genuinely creative, and where the cabin barndominium with carport beats a standard barndo of the same size every single time. An attached carport on a 30 by 40 build costs $8,700 to $17,400 complete. That gives you 300 to 600 square feet of covered outdoor space. Here's how smart builders maximize that investment. First, as an outdoor living extension. With a concrete pad, ceiling fan, and string lights, the carport becomes a covered outdoor living room. This effectively extends your usable entertaining space by 300 to 600 square feet for about $500 to $1,500 in extras. That is the cheapest square footage you will ever buy. Second, as a covered workspace. Without needing to finish interior walls or run HVAC, the carport becomes a year-round workspace for vehicles, equipment maintenance, woodworking, or hobby projects. Smart builders use this to eliminate the need for a separate shop or detached garage, saving $20,000 to $50,000 on the overall project. Third, as a transition zone. In climates with heavy rain or snow, the carport acts as a protected buffer between your vehicle and your front door. You unload groceries without getting soaked. You pull in during a storm without the engine getting drenched. These daily quality of life improvements are hard to put a number on, but impossible to understate once you have them. Fourth, as a future expansion platform. This is the move that very few people talk about. A properly engineered carport can be enclosed in the future by adding walls, insulation, and a door, converting it into a sunroom, mudroom, or additional living space. The foundation and roof are already there. Enclosure costs run $8,000 to $15,000 versus $40,000 to $60,000 to build a new addition from scratch. You're building an equity expansion at the time of initial construction. That future enclosure strategy alone is worth the cost of the carport several times over. But here's the decision most builders get completely backwards, and it's the one I promised you at the start of this video: the budget decision. Most builders get backwards. Most people building a 30 by 40 barndominium on a budget spend their money on interior finishes first. They splurge on kitchen cabinets, countertops, and flooring, while cutting corners on insulation, electrical, and the shell quality. This is the single most expensive mistake in budget building. Here's why. A premium kitchen in a poorly insulated metal building will cost you $150 to $300 more per month in heating and cooling bills. Over 10 years, that's $18,000 to $36,000 in wasted energy costs. The cabinet upgrade that cost you $5,000 extra has now cost you $23,000 to $41,000 when you include the energy penalty from underinvesting in insulation. Spray foam insulation on a 30 by 40 building costs $8,000 to $15,000. This is where smart builders spend first, not last. Closed-cell spray foam creates an airtight thermal envelope that dramatically reduces HVAC load, prevents condensation on metal walls, adds structural rigidity to the shell, and lowers monthly energy bills for the entire life of the building. Smart builders follow this priority sequence: insulation first, mechanical systems second, structural quality third, and interior finishes last. The interior can always be upgraded over time. Poor insulation and undersized electrical are expensive to fix after the walls go up. We've covered the costs, the layout, the carport strategy, and the builder mindset. But there's one final thing you need to know before you start calling contractors. And it's the question that will tell you immediately whether a builder actually knows what they're doing on a budget build like this. What to ask your builder before you sign anything, before you sign a single contract on a 30 by 40 cabin barndominium with carport. Here are the non-negotiable questions. Ask for a complete itemized bid, not a per square foot estimate. A reputable builder on a project this size should be able to break out every phase: shell, foundation, insulation, mechanical, and finishes as separate line items. Any builder who gives you one flat number without a breakdown is hiding something, usually their markup. Ask specifically what type of insulation is included. If the answer is fiberglass batt, walk away, or negotiate for spray foam. Batt insulation does not perform adequately in metal buildings. It allows moisture to reach the steel surface, which leads to condensation and long-term corrosion. This is non-negotiable. Ask about the carport engineering. The carport connection to the main structure must be properly engineered for wind uplift in your region. A carport that's bolted on without engineering is a liability in a storm. Engineered plans for the carport typically add $500 to $1,500 and are worth every penny. Ask about permit pull responsibility. In most jurisdictions, the licensed contractor is responsible for pulling permits. If a contractor asks you to pull your own permits, that's a red flag. It often means they're unlicensed or working without proper coverage. Ask for references from completed 30 by 40 builds specifically, not larger projects. A builder who primarily works on 40 by 60 and larger barndominiums may underbid a 30 by 40 because they underestimate the relative complexity of fitting everything into a smaller footprint efficiently. A 30 by 40 cabin barndominium with carport, done right with smart budget prioritization, is one of the most complete and efficient home builds available in 2026. You get a fully functional 2-bedroom cabin home, covered vehicle and outdoor living space, A budget that beats traditional construction by $75,000 to $195,000, and a structure designed to last 50 years or more with minimal maintenance. The builders winning in 2026 are not the ones spending the most. They are the ones who understand where every dollar goes before a single panel gets bolted into place. Insulate well, design smart, ask the hard questions, and leverage that carport as the multi-use asset it was designed to be. If this gave you real value today, drop a comment below telling me which part of this build you're most interested in tackling first. And if you want a full video on the actual floor plan details for a 30 by 40 two-bedroom cabin barndominium with carport, let me know in the comments, and I'll put that together for you next. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.